Good morning. Today we're going to take a poem which is called Under This Sky, which is written by Zia Haider, but it's later on translated by Bahabani Sengibuta and also Naomi Shihab. So very quickly, we're going to take a short background about the writer. Here it says, this background is about Sheikh Faisal Abdul Rauf Muhammad Zaidan Haider, and he's known as Zia Haider. He is born in 18 November 1936 and died in 2nd of September 2008. He was a Bangladesh writer, poet, playwright, translator, and a professor. He was a founder, president of Nagoric Nataya. He is a founder of the Bangladesh Institution of Theatre Arts. He wrote 7 poems, 4 plays, and translated several plays. He was awarded by the government of Bangladesh in 2001 and Bangla Academy Literary Award in 1977. Let's take a very quick look on the poem, which is Under This Sky. It's very easy and explains itself here if you read the lines. There is an enormous comfort beings Hidra, knowing we all live under the same sky. No matter that continent we live on, the poet cycles through stark images of cities all over the world, highlighting the differences and commonalities between our experiences. The poet starts by speaking about Dhaka, which is a city in Bangladesh, the homeland of the writer himself, and how everyone sees the same sun and moon in the sky. Throughout the whole poem, the poet tries to express the difference between the cities and what people do in each one of them. However, we all live on the same planet under the same sky. Finally, there are, of course, in every poem you can find a lot of figures of speech. Let's look at some of them in this poem, which is the line number 4, which says, "We see the same sun and same moon." And this is an alliteration. The repetition of consonant, the word S, the letter S, gives a melodic sound to the verse. Another one, let's look at an imagery. Imagery here is in line number 12. For example, the peasant in Bengal welcomes the new crop. And here, the poet used visual images to represent the way we see the villages welcoming new plants, welcoming new plants. So there's so many figures of speech, and these are the famous ones in them. And if you read the lines again, the lines explains themselves, and it's very easy to understand the poem. And let's look here. There is no even confusing vocabularies that we will stop at. They're all easy words, easy vocabularies. And that's it. Thank you so much.